What's going on, guys? In today's quick episode, we're going to be talking about an unusual tool for your shop, a refrigerator. Let's get into it. Today's episode is sponsored by NewAir, and if you've seen my previous episode where I reviewed their two 18-inch industrial fans, you know that I'm a fan of their stuff. It's made really well. They were kind enough to send me this AB-1200B beverage cooler, which is a 126 can capacity refrigerator. You can see it's one of the smaller ones, but I was surprised as I was digging in to see how useful a refrigerator can be in a wood shop. So apart from basic beverage storage, one of the things that I thought was really intriguing was that you can store wood glue and a lot of other adhesives in a refrigerator. There's an article on Titebond's website that talks all about it, how you can take their wood glue and extend the life up to even 10 years sometimes if you store it in an appropriate, cool and dry place. And what a better place for that than a climate-controlled refrigerator. I hadn't thought about that. So wood glue storage is number one. You can also store hide glue and CA glue to slow down their curing process. Another thing I was surprised to find out is that you can store shellac in a refrigerator. A lot of people tend to do this to, once again, extend the shelf life of that shellac and keep it from setting up too quickly. So that's another use. One thing that I've been doing for years when I'm painting or staining and I want to take a break is I take that brush or that roller and I put it in a clear plastic shopping bag, and then I'll stick that in a refrigerator or a freezer. And that slows down the dry time of the paint or the finish. And also, since the refrigerator is airtight, it helps slow it down even more. So temporary storage of brushes and rollers and things like that in a refrigerator is a cool use for your shop. Finally, the most obvious is storing beverages. On a hot day when you're out working in your shop, it's really nice to have a beverage cold and ready close by so that you can quickly get a drink, get refreshed, and get back to work. And one great option if you're looking for a refrigerator for your shop is this NewAir AB-1200B. It can store up to 126 cans. It has this nice lockable glass door, so if you have little ones around like I do, you can keep it locked and you don't have to worry about them getting into paint or stain or glue or anything that you might keep in this refrigerator. It has a temperature control on the inside and an LED light that you can turn on or off. The LED light is nice if you want to store this underneath your bench or something. You can see what you have in there at all times. This refrigerator retails at $289.95, but if you use the code Anthony at checkout, I'll put that in the description below, you can save 20%, which comes out right around 60 bucks. So pretty good savings on this machine. This guy is built super well. It's nice and heavy, sturdy. You don't have to worry about breaking it or busting it or it wearing out anytime soon. It should last you a very long time in your shop, in your dorm, wherever you decide to put this refrigerator. It will be a great option for you. Well, that's it, guys. Those are 4 uses for a refrigerator in a wood shop. I hope you found this video informative and that you might consider picking up an unusual tool like this for your shop. If you like this type of stuff, if you like these small review videos, let me know, drop a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll make more of them. 3D printing stuff coming soon. I just got back from Murph a little bit ago, so you've probably already seen that recap video. That was super exciting for me. Filament series is starting up soon. I know I say that at the end of every video, but I promise it's going to start up soon on my channel and on Joe's channel. But until next time, guys, I'll see you.